What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to do our daily update on XCN, which is up 5.1% at 2.4 cents. Last video we're talking about that bottom signals that were coming in for XCN and that possible breakout to the upside, and it's looking very, very promising right now. So we're going to go over all those indicators, the general momentum, and everything else for XCN in this video. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, as you saw, we are going to be launching a coin soon called Fred on Solana. If you're interested in getting at the ground floor price, join by the links in the description. We're launching the NFT for it this weekend for the OGs. So let's get into XCN. XCN right now is looking great. We had this pennant drawn. We were talking about that possible bounce off the 786 at 1.9. That's exactly what happened. We had this uptrend drawn as well, saying, hey, we could possibly wick down to that. And that's exactly what happened as well. We are on the cusp of breaking out to the upside here, guys. We're at 2.4 right now. Indicators on the day chart are looking juiced up. What I mean by that is the last 2 days have been more bullish than bearish on XCN. The RSI is tailing back up, and if I'm not mistaken, on the tight downtrend, we did just break that as well. So I'm going to be bullish here in XCN, guys. We're breaking out. The WTX bounced right off the bottom at what is this, 0? Yeah, at 0. And then the big one is the stock RSI, guys. The stock RSI is starting to tail up. Last time we started going vertical like this was December of 2024, which in turn was right here, guys. And then we saw the next large rally up for XCN. So like we mentioned last time on the video, this breakout is technically a bull flag. We showed you a demonstration of a bull flag before, and that could technically bring this coin up to about that 35 cents to 66 cents range up here at the 618. So I don't think Onyxcoin's done yet, guys. I think we're just getting started on the next push higher here. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. I did pick some up at the 786. I did toss a long on it as well, like I mentioned in the last XCN video. So I'm in profit there. And then you look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour time frame is looking pretty good. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see we did break out of that downtrend, and now we're currently testing it as support, guys. We're testing this as support, the prior resistance. If this holds, if the support holds, then the momentum is going to continue to the upside. We want to make sure this is confirmed first. We don't want this to be a bullish fake out, then have us go all the way back down here for some consolidation before we start mooning. So in the meantime, short-term time frame is holding fantastic at the downtrend. Prior support flipped resistance. We got all those buy signals here that we talked about last video here. Very, very deep buy signal right here earlier yesterday. That's the deepest buy signal, yeah, since August of 2024, which is insane, guys. Insane. So we are on the cusp of the next move up here for XCN, and that next move up, like I mentioned, could be a big one, could be a real big one. That's a 24x, guys. 24x up to 66 cents, and it's easily doable with a coin with only $795 million market cap. We're not even at a billion yet, guys. It's easily doable. Now, what I want to see here is continue the momentum and staying above the downtrend resistance area, which the short-term fib from the high to the low, what we can currently see is we aren't above the 618. So a confirmation to me would be breaking above 25 cents. If XCN does continue up and breaks above 25 cents, that would confirm the bullish momentum to the upside, and then we'd be off to the races. That'd be absolutely insane, which from here, even up to the 786 is a 41% gain. And then if you go back to the high on XCN, that's a 2x right there. That's a 2x. So my personal opinion, XCN's looking like a fantastic play. Fantastic play. I'm still holding my long here because I have heavy conviction that we'd be seeing that move up here. So I did a 20x long on it. So if we have 20x times 24x, do the math. I'm very bad at math, but short-term time frame, we are a little hot on the indicators. That's the one concerning part right here. The MACD is losing its bullish momentum. The RSI, even though we broke out, it's starting to tail back down. We're not that high on the WTX, but we are blue below orange here on the 4 hour, guys. So that's the only thing that I see here on the short-term time frame. I mean, last time we were last time we were blue over orange and we were overbought here on the stock RSI was right here. And in turn, it did cause a slow drop down right here. But the great part that we have is we broke out of this downtrend that we've been in since January 26th. We just need to confirm it. And the confirmation for me is getting over 25 cents. If you get over 25 cents, XCN's going to start ripping, guys. Day chart's looking fantastic. The day chart is just primed, absolutely primed. Like I haven't seen a day chart this good on any coin yet lately, on any coin in a while. So that's why I am having some conviction on this coin right now. If we look at the weekly, let's see what the weekly looks like. The weekly flip yet? Oh no, the weekly did get that sell signal. That's what we were talking about last time too, is that sell signal and how we can maintain overboughtness in that sell signal range for quite a while. So let's monitor that. And then the 3-day, 3 days looking great. I mean, 3 days pretty much reset as well. Stock RSI is reset. RSI is looking good. MACD is looking good. So we're going to be keeping an eye on this. If we get over 25 cents, that's going to confirm it for me. So even though we are above the downtrend prior resistance, we need to confirm it and flip it into support right now. So this is the test here, boys and girls. We cannot fall back down here below 23 cents. And if we want to go to the moon, we have to get above that 618 right there, which is sitting at 25. So if we get over 25 cents on XCN, then we can start printing some green candles here and we can all shout to the moon. If we end up falling back into this pennant, then it's just going to be some more chop until we break back out, which, you know, could happen on like the 16th or so. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.